Assalamu alaikum dear students. We have completed the 7 units and from today we are going to start the unit number 8, that is quadrilateral and its construction and types. Okay, so first of all let's see what is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, the general meaning of quadri or the quadra means 4 and lateral means sides. Right, it means that any figure or a closed geometrical figure that has four sides is called as the quadrilateral. It means that any geometrical figure which has four sides, this has the four sides, this is a closed figure. Any closed figure which has four sides is called as a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral has four sides, and these, if we join the opposite angles, then these are called as the diagonals of quadrilateral. So every quadrilateral has four sides. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and two quadrilaterals. This is and two diagonals. This is the diagonal. Okay, suppose this is the quadrilateral ABCD. Then it has four sides: side AB, side BC, side CD and side AD, and two diagonals BD and AC are called as the diagonal of the quadrilateral. Okay, clear? Now before starting the construction of quadrilateral, let's revise the previous concepts of how to draw the triangle. Okay, in the previous standard we have learned the construction of triangles. Okay, if two sides of a triangle are given, then how to draw the triangle. If all the three sides are given, then how to draw the triangle. If two angles and one side is given, then how to draw the triangle. So let's revise all that. Okay, types of drawing the triangles we have learned. The first type, if three sides of a triangle are given to you. If in the triangle ABC, suppose AB, side AB, length of side AB is 4 cm, length of side BC is 5 cm, length of side AC is 3 cm. These three sides of a triangle are given to you. Then how to draw the triangle? Okay, so first of all we will take the biggest side or the largest side. Here the largest side is BC, so we will take BC as the base of the triangle. Okay, first of all we will draw the side BC using the ruler. This is of 5 cm. Then side AB is 4 cm. We will take a distance of 4 cm in your compass. Okay, in your compass we will take a distance of 4 cm and make one arc. Okay, then this was BC. After that we will take a distance of 3 cm in the compass and make one arc from C. Okay, then we will join the point of intersection to point B and C. Okay, this was the point A. Okay, this was 4 cm and this was 3 cm. In this way we will draw the triangle if three sides are given. Okay, the next thing that we have seen, that if two sides and one angle of a triangle are given, then how to draw the triangle. Suppose in the triangle ABC, if AB is given as 5 cm and BC is given as 6 cm and angle B is equal to 30 degree. We will make a rough figure of triangle ABC. This triangle ABC, this BC says 6 cm, AB is 5 cm and this angle B is 30 degree. We will draw the rough figure like this. And how will we draw? We will draw, first of all we will make an angle of 30 degree. Okay, I have already taught you how to draw an angle of 30 degree. This is your angle of 30 degree, and then we will take a distance of 6 cm in the compass and make one arc on this side this is the point B, and this 6 centimeter is BC, and then we will take a distance of 5 centimeter on and make an arc on this side. Okay, and this is the point A. This is of 5 centimeter. Then we will join these 2 points like this. Okay, so this is the required triangle ABC. Okay, after that we have seen how to draw the triangle if 2 angles are given and one side is given. 2 angles and one side. Okay, so first of all we will draw the rough figure of triangle ABC. This is AB 6 centimeter, AB, and angle A is 30 degree, angle B is 60 degree. Okay, we will always make the angles at the base side. Okay, we will always make the angles on the base side. Okay, so first of all we will draw the base AB 6 centimeter using the ruler. Now using the protractor we will make one angle of 30 degree. This is AB. We will make one angle of 30 degree from A and one angle of 60 degree from B, and we will extend these 2 rays until they meet. जब तक ये मिलते नहीं, जब तक कि हम इसको extend करेंगे आगे. The point of meeting is named as the point C. Okay, so this is the required triangle ABC. So how we have drawn? First of all we will make the base AB. Then angle A is given as 30 degree, we have drawn using the protractor. Then angle B is given as 60 degree, we have drawn using the protractor. Okay, and we will join these 2 rays. We have joined these 2 rays. Okay, in this way we will draw the angle triangle ABC. Okay, the fourth type is to construct a triangle is if hypotenuse is given and one side is given. Okay, hypotenuse and one side is given. If hypotenuse and one side is given, suppose in the triangle ABC, if AC is the hypotenuse which is given as 9 centimeter and BC is one of its side of right angle triangle and which is 4 centimeter. We all know that in a right angled triangle one angle is of 90 degree. Okay, one angle is of 90 degree. So first of all we will make an angle of 90 degree using the protractor. Okay, this angle is of 90 degree. Here AC is of 9 centimeter, AC is the hypotenuse, and BC is 4 centimeter. So first of all we will make the base BC. Okay, this is of 4 centimeter and hypotenuse AC is of 9 centimeter. So we will take a distance of 9 centimeter in the compass and make one arc from the point C on this arm. Okay, and then we will join these 2 points. Okay, so this is the required triangle ABC. Why we have taken BC as the base? We know that AC is the hypotenuse, so we generally don't take hypotenuse at the base side. We take base BC. We take base as BC. One side of a right angle triangle was given, so we have taken 4 centimeter at the base. Then this was the side BC and hypotenuse 9 centimeter was given, so we have taken a distance of 9 centimeter in the compass and make one arc on this arm of the triangle. Okay, and we have joined these 2 points. Okay, now I am giving some questions to you for homework. Just try these questions. These are some questions given to you. The first question is, in the triangle ABC the measurement of angle B is 30, angle C is 45 degree and the side BC is given as 6 centimeter. Here 2 angles and one side is given and you have to draw the triangle ABC. Okay, so this is the homework. Just try of your own in your notebook. Okay, the second question is, in the triangle ABC the side AB is given as 3 centimeter, side BC is 4 centimeter and side AC is 5 centimeter. Here all the 3 sides of a triangle are given to you and you have to draw the triangle ABC. Okay, the third question is, in the triangle ABC side AB is 5 centimeter, side BC is 4.5 centimeter and you have to, and angle B is given as 60 degree. Okay, so here the two sides AB and BC are given, and one angle B is given as 60 degree, and you have to draw the triangle ABC. Okay, so just try it of your own in your notebook. Okay, otherwise I will provide the PDF of these solutions in your WhatsApp group. Okay, just try it by your own.